Welcome back. Today on the channel I've got the Trxx4M Cayenne 10 in the red. Now here in Australia we've been waiting for these for ages. I've been chasing these. I could have bought one online from an American shop and paid an exorbitant bloody shipping and all that sort of stuff, and sort of defeats the purpose of the price of this little package, you know. They, I think they were 159, 160 US when they originally come out, which converts over into Australian dollars as 3.2 million. I mean, no, sorry, it's 300 and, I think this one came in at $370. And it's 1/18 scale, Hobbies Direct. Great little Aussie shop in Sydney, thanks to Hobbies Direct. So let's crack it open. I've been waiting, it'd have to be over 12 months. All factory sealed, you gotta love that. And I'm pretty sure I got the red one. It was the last of the high trail edition ones. So high trail there, we get lifted, bigger wheels. What else have we got? So it comes with a 2S LiPo, 750 milliamp, little USB charger, great chrome decals, got lights, factory lights from factory. Here we got, bigger wheels. So you got the Baja Pro XS replica tyres, Mickey Thompson's, 35% extra ground clearance, they say. Hang on, it's the blue one. I thought I was getting the red one. Anyway, blue's great too. Hang on, I'm sure on the website it said the last one was a red one, but... Oh my God. Alrighty, so there's the box. Put him aside. What's got in the little package? Usual Traxxas paraphernalia. Cut that little baggie open so you get your little wrench. Allen keys, looks like a couple of little shock spacers. Hopefully the camera's focusing on all this. And you get a little trailer tow hitch, because Traxxas actually bring out a officially licensed little trailer. And it's reasonably priced as well. And the usual books and garbage, binding and all that sort of stuff if you have issues. Traxxas always do good manuals, but we're not here for manuals. So you get the big traditional TQ radio, no mini radio, which is weird. A lot of companies with the mini cars sort of bring out a little mini radio, but Traxxas have just got a warehouse full of those TQ radios, so must use them. Yeah, little bitty 2S LiPo battery with a enormous safety warning on it. And it comes with the little USB charger. So you'll get a good runtime out of 750 milliamp. We'll see, I'll soon let you know. But there goes the foam. Ta-da! Beautiful. Chrome accents. I love the old style American trucks. They had the Bronco, the Defender. I've already got the Defender in the 110. I was tempted to match them up as two Defenders, but all right. What do we got here? We got it all tucked in underneath. You can't just do the pull and reveal. Tucked up underneath the chrome, so just be a bit gentle so you don't pull off your chrome tags from day one. Everyone loves the original peel off. And Traxxas do the lovely clipless bodies too, so none of the old traditional clips hanging in the way. Well, you've got to admit they did a great job wrapping it. There we go, all unveiled. Look at the sheen and the chrome on that. Got a lead hanging out, so I better get that off and inspect. So the clips, front and back, bada bing, bada boom. So that's the light to connect up your lighting. You can buy additional lighting. Tiny little brushless setup, all integrated lights, ESC, tiny little micro servo. Alright, I'll get this battery charged up and we'll get a bit of life into it. Right, we're back. So, charge the battery, got some rechargeable AA's in the TQ controller. Headlights are on, as you can see. I just had a bit of a drama, my heart's pounding, had a snake here. You would not believe it. It was inside the back tube of the little Ryobi air blower. So I pick up the air blower, I'm pressing the trigger going, why is there no air coming out? So I'm even looking down the tube, and what I thought I could see was frogs. I thought they were frogs. Or a frog, big, you know, we get a lot of green tree frogs around here, right? And I thought it was a tree frog. And it's just not coming out, you know? So I'm banging it up against the wall and everything, trying to get this thing to just hop out, and it's not hopping out. So I'm like, oh, I've got to disconnect this whole thing now. So I disconnect it. As I'm disconnecting it, the snake unfoils itself, and I just shit myself and I threw it. I'll turn the camera around. So, right here, there's the blower on the ground. It was inside that little black tube was a snake. And the snake would have to be about 1 metre long, eh? So I threw the blower, it hit the side of the ute. I didn't hit the ute, the blower still works. And then the snake's taken off into that tree and all that foliage. By the time I got the dogs inside and sorted out the dogs, I come back and I just seen the tail of that snake going in the in the tree. So now I'm scared to go over there. But it's only a python, but I just don't like snakes. But back to the action. So she's all charged up, all bound up, no dramas. I've even printed off some scaled down in slicer 50% max tracks for the 1/18 scale. And I'll tell you what, they're a great scale size. I'm pretty impressed. Put them in the tray. I'll end up setting up a print of 4, I reckon. But no, she's all good. So I've got it set on crawl mode. So, you know, there's some nice fine touch there. Let's get some obstacles. Oh. See how to handle some off camber there, see what we can do. Oh yeah, it's a little bit jolty, but no problem though. But yeah, what a little ripper. That'll take it down the slot car track. But anyway, she's a good little rig. I'll get it out on the rocks down near the fire pit and we'll go from there. We'll see how it goes on the actual dirt. I've also ordered up already the ball bearing kit because it only comes with brushed, little brushes in it, bushes, sorry. So got the bearing kit on the way, put the little tow hitch on the back. The clipless body, unreal. Anyway, over to the rocks. So back on the track, I've gone and set up a little bit of rocks in the spare paddock over here. So I've got a little bit of a rock garden. I've grabbed a few rocks from the garden there, little loop, come up the back side of the track here, go around the track, come back down, drop off the ledge, back down in, a little bit of a loop circle. It's got a great turning radius, 45-degree turning circle. Sorry about that noise in the background if you can hear it. That's the farmer next door spraying the mangoes. Got some decent little scratches on the body already. Ooh, we'll stuff that up. Reposition. A bit better. Does need a stronger servo though. Next video I'll take a couple of crawlers actually down to about 5 minutes down the road here. I've got a wicked little crawl section there. I've taken a few videos before, so I'll take the new Traxxas TRM and I'll take the Defender. Where's the Defender? I've got the Defender down here. Pretty much all stock, got side rails, some really nice tricked out anodised rims. I'm pretty sure they're Endura. But no, she's a wicked one. And then I'll take the SCX6 as well. But yeah, just a little bit of driving footage for today. Hopefully we'll see what I can come up with. Cut a little edit up. Oh, he's on the high side. Oh, he's recovered. Well, has he? Yes, he has recovered. But yeah, just a little taste of what the little guy can do. But yeah, thanks guys. Next video I'll take it down to the river and give her a good crack down there. The water's there's dry season there here in Darwin, so probably about a month ago I wouldn't have been able to go down there, but we'll go down there in the next video and I'll show you down the river. Tumbling waters they call it. Cheers guys, thank you, bye.